Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Adi, and this is Roshil, and we are the RAW podcast. And this is a special one, and because this is a SummerSlam predictions video. Now, I know you might be asking कि दो video में production value इतना कैसे बढ़ गया? We are just that good, and my parents are just that helpful. So, Roshil, we have to start off with Dom versus. Sorry, what's not क्या?
Damien.
Damien. I'm talking not Dom. Sorry, we can cut this up.
So guys, the first match of SummerSlam is Damien Priest defending his WWE World Heavyweight Championship against Gunther. So what's your take on this, bhai?
Okay, first of all, Gunther has always been my personal favorite. मुझे तो मजा आता है Gunther का title reign in the Intercontinental Championship scene. Mid card scene जो elevate किया है, even in the storyline wise, you talk about presentation. Gunther has never disappointed in any single one of their takes. So him being the world champion makes sense for me.
Yeah.
ठीक है, but we have to appreciate how good Damien Priest has been as a world champion. मतलब to be a very undesirable one to undeniable one. I know this is for Cody Rhodes, but to be honest, I feel Damien Priest को भी ये काफी suit करता है.
Actually.
Because Damien Priest को as a champion they didn't build because उनका Money in the Bank was basically him being a tag champion और उसके पास एक briefcase था.
Exactly.
And then he just cashes in WrestleMania, which is a very 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 good moment मेरे हिसाब से. The first few months were a blunder, but यार उसके बाद when he started feuding with Gunther, जो character development हुआ इस आदमी का, it is unimaginable. Like I was always in love with Damien Priest's character and the way he was wrestling. He's a very good babyface in my opinion. And
WWE अभी शायद से Triple H is शायद से अभी उसको babyface एक perfect singles babyface run देने का सोच रहे हैं and he has also started acting like a babyface जब Jey Uso के साथ उसका matches होता है तो जब Jey Uso नीचे गिरा हुआ होता है he just gives his hand and वो उठा लेता है उसको and he just has a smile on his face. So what's your take on this?
See, we all knew कि उसको एक baby first reign मिलने ही वाला था.
Yeah.
And I feel कि Damien Priest losing here also feels very bad. But we all know the thing is that they had a King of the Ring tournament with a stipulation in it. So next year ताकि उसका prestige बढ़े, one of the winners has to actually win. I feel both will, but उसके आगे बात करेंगे. I feel this is my prediction. I think it's gonna be Gunther. And he's gonna bring the King of the Ring legacy, and he's gonna be the King General, and then he's gonna be the World Heavyweight Champion. Damien Priest had a very fun run, but I think now his story just starts more with the Judgment Day.
Yeah.
So that's my prediction. What's yours?
So my prediction will be with Gunther. मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि Gunther, मैं दिल से चाहता हूँ कि Gunther जीते. And to be honest, जब से Gunther ने King of the Ring जीता है, उसके बाद से he's been pretty inactive. Let's accept.
Yeah.
So he's not been on the TV. He's not made much of appearances. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि this is the perfect time Gunther को championship दे देना चाहिए.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I guess we will move on to our next match, which is Bayley versus Nia Jax, another Queen of the Ring tournament winner, Nia Jax. Bayley's reign has been very disappointing.
Boring.
मैं ऐलान करना चाहता हूँ मुझे बेली बहुत पसंद है. I've been watching her since NXT Black and Gold, and that was my favorite show of all time. She has been an immaculate performer throughout her career. She is a Mount Rushmore wrestler for me, but this reign was just not it. As good as the match was at WrestleMania, this reign was very boring.
But before Bayley जब अपना championship जीतने से पहले उसका जितना भी build किया था, it was top notch.
Yes.
It was legit top notch. But but we had very high expectations from Bayley, जो कि बाद में we can say कि वो पूरा नहीं कर पाई वो. Mostly because of her opponents.
Yeah.
जो कि थोड़े से मतलब satisfying नहीं लगे हम लोग को. तो we think कि Bayley is not like a champion. She did not feel like a champion. So मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि it's high time now title change हो जाना चाहिए. और इस मैच में मैं दोनों के भी साइड पे नहीं हूँ. I am with Tiffany Stratton.
Oh, fuck.
Like she'll just enter the match, she'll just cash in her Money in the Bank contract, and boom, she's the new champion.
See, that is a fan favorite pick. Ki Tiffany Stratton should be the champion right now, but I feel it is a very complex story that WWE would be trying to run with this because I want Nia Jax to win. That is my prediction because the thing is that Nia Jax has redeemed herself.
Yeah.
ऐसा बहुत बीच में cases हुआ था that she had injured a lot of performers and she stuffed a lot of people. But she has come back and had a redemption arc of herself, and मुझे genuinely I've been impressed with her. I used to hate Nia Jax, but now I am actually impressed by the
Yeah.
way she has handled herself, the character change and everything. The Queen Nia character was not as good, but her work in general has just improved tenfolds.
But yeah.
The dynamic between Tiffany Stratton as the Miss Money in the Bank and Queen Nia as the champion, that's gonna be fun to watch, because then you can have a 4-week long story. And I feel there have not been many Miss Money in the Bank winners who have had like a proper reign as a Miss Money in the Bank. The last one was Carmella.
Yeah.
And by the way, fun fact, when Carmella won the briefcase, the first time it was removed from the hook, it was actually James Ellsworth.
Actually.
The first Money in the Bank winner, women's Money in the Bank winner, was actually a dude, which was insanely bad for WWE at that moment. It's still bad. Actually, they did a rematch for it. So I would say my prediction is Nia Jax. And you
Okay.
predict a cash-in.
Yeah, I am not on either of the sides. मैं
Yeah.
चाहता हूँ कि टिफनी अपना मनी द बैंक कैश इन करे एंड शी शुड विन दिस बिकॉज एक साल से वो कर रही हैं टिफी टाइम इट्स नाउ हाई टाइम दैट शी विंस दिस
Yeah.
सो
I
मूविंग ऑन टू
guess
द नेक्स्ट मैच
it is Sami Zayn versus Braun Breaker.
ओह गॉड
Braun Breaker is an absolute beast when it comes to
Actually.
running Monday Night Raw at this moment.
Actually.
He was amazing in NXT. All of his storylines work well. He looks like an unstoppable machine. Him being booked to lose in one Helluva Kick was a problem for a lot of internet marks, but please.
Me
it's-
too.
Okay,
It
you
was
are
a problem
yeah.
for me too.
Let me defend my boy Sammy here. He is a veteran and he is the Intercontinental Champion. He needs to look thoda to strong. But I think this is high time Braun Breaker wins the championship, because it makes so much sense.
Because just let me remind you, अभी predictions, अभी speculations, rumors, we can name this anything, but ये सब चल रहा है कि Braun Breaker would be the next Brock Lesnar. So
Yes.
what's your take on this?
I want Braun Breaker to be the next Brock Lesnar.
Yeah.
To be fair, it is not desirable for any young superstar to be compared to a legend like Brock Lesnar is, even though he has done or may have not done some terrible things.
He
But
has ruled the company.
He has ruled the company under, like, that is an unfortunate truth apparently. But yeah, I want Braun Breaker to be his own separate thing. He
Yeah.
needs to have a position like Brock Lesnar, but I don't think his character should be same as Brock Lesnar. He's already good on the mic. He has amazing personality. And yeah.
I'm seeing जितना मैंने Braun Breaker को देखा है, वो बस वो माइक वो प्रोमो कुछ नहीं कट करता है,
Yeah.
वो आता है तोड़ता है चले जाता है.
And that is enough. In a
Actually.
way, that is enough. You don't always need to have
Yeah.
a very staggering presence on mic. But Braun Breaker itself is a complete package, and
Yeah.
I completely disagree with Dave Meltzer here that he's not tall enough to look like Brock Lesnar. Bro, he has more personality than most of your New Japan loving, like match cards. I'm telling you, you would have loved Braun Breaker more if he was wrestling in Tokyo Dome.
Actually, yes.
Yeah.
So, but according to me, I'll give a bold statement. Braun Breaker. I see Braun Breaker in the next 5 years as the top guy of
Yes.
WWE, who's carrying the whole company on his own shoulders.
Yes, I feel that he is bound to be I think him and Trick Williams are going to be the new Seth Rollins
Yeah.
and Roman Reigns.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
I could not be more happier about it. So I
Nice.
think we should move on
To the next match, which is LA Knight versus Logan Paul for the United States Championship.
A lot of controversies here. It's just this morning.
I'll just say a simple thing. One statement. LA Knight के लिए in the favor of LA Knight. अब नहीं तो कब?
Yes, exactly. Okay, it is high time. LA Knight ने इतना मेहनत किया है in his
Actually.
entire run. I'm talking TNA. I'm talking every single run
He
that
has
done.
actually been in the main event, guys.
He has been in
Royal
the main
Rumble
event.
this
Yes.
year. Yeah.
He has been in multiple main events at this point. He has just running the company through the merch sales. He is actually a profitable character for
And he's
WWE.
actually the megastar.
He is earned the right to be called megastar. और इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है to give him a singles championship run when it is so okay? First of all, Logan Paul being the US champion was a great business move in
Yeah.
terms of promoting the company,
But fun fact, he has just defended his championship 3 times.
which sucks. Which
No,
is
actually third time अभी होगा. LA Knight
Yeah, so
LA
it's
Knight के
only
सामने.
been
It's twice, yeah.
Yeah, so that is not a sign of a good champion through the storylines lens.
मुझे लोगन
Yeah.
पॉल और बेली में कुछ फर्क नहीं लगा. Both were boring.
Actually,
बस इतना
yeah,
फर्क
to
था
be
कि
fair,
बेली
yes.
had won the championship at WrestleMania. लोगन पॉल उससे पहले ही जीत चुका था.
Yeah, exactly. I would feel that, yeah, it is exactly the same title right now
Yeah.
that you think about it.
Actually.
But in a way, Logan Paul is in the news currently for speaking out in the Olympics thing. Whether you agree with him or you disagree with him, you know that he's under a lot of hot water right now.
Yeah.
So the company will be taking off the championship off of him.
And
So
why
this-
not? Because he's the
Yeah.
he's collaborated with Prime Energy.
Yeah.
So उसको इतना नीचे भी दिखा नहीं सकते हैं.
सकते.
So LA, my prediction would be LA Knight.
My wish, my prediction, मेरी इच्छा सब
Yeah.
LA Knight पे जा रही है.
Exactly.
Because even if it's not about the character, even if it's not about the business or anything, purely through storylines lens, LA Knight का जो momentum चल रहा था throughout the last year, ठंडा पड़ चुका है. This match should have been a WrestleMania match. In my opinion, it shouldn't have been AJ Styles versus LA Knight, even though it was a good match.
Yeah.
I still
Exactly.
feel this was a WrestleMania match, but SummerSlam is also not bad.
But
So,
luckily, I just say one thing कि अब तक इन चारों matches में we are on the same page. We are going on the same page
yeah,
because
so technically,
because
the Bailey and Nia one, you feel is
actually yeah okay.
I'm talking
apart
walking out
from
champion.
yeah apart from that
Yeah.
match, अगले matches में देखते हैं क्या होगा.
Yeah, I don't think that we're gonna agree as much. This is the first video, guys. Actually, this is only the first parter. We can't
Yeah.
do a complete episode because apparently YouTube पे there is some restriction for new YouTube channels. हम 15 से ज़्यादा videos नहीं डाल 15 मिनट से ज़्यादा videos नहीं डाल सकते.
Yeah.
So that's an issue. And I guess we still
So-
have 2 minutes left.
Okay.
I do have an opinion to make here. Okay. Do you think this is going to be a better SummerSlam than 2002?
It's actually a bold. It's a hot take. I think yes, it will be better because it has CM Punk featuring in it.
Yeah.
Seth Rollins as the guest referee,
Yes.
and then we have Gunther,
Gunther being the world
who's actually the next big thing.
Yes.
And plus Braun Breaker को कोई कैसे भूल सकता है यार?
Yes. I feel okay. So a lot of Attitude Era fans might be fines बोल रहा हूँ मैं बार-बार यार. I can cut this out. Fine.
Yeah.
A lot of Attitude Era fans are actually going to be watching this because I hope this is the truth. We are living in the best era. Okay, it was not the Attitude Era. Okay, just because you didn't have any rules and restrictions, you could have done anything on TV. You had a better society you were living in. Probably the euphoria is stopping you from accepting it. But we are living in the best era.
Yeah.
And this is going to be a better SummerSlam than anything you've ever seen.
And there's more to come.
There's more to come. By the way, this is just the beginning of it.
Yeah.
So, in my opinion, I would say that even this match card alone is such a good thing. And we have the next 3 matches we'll be discussing in the next video, by the way. Please subscribe and you're going to get the notifications. Go to the
Yeah.
channel, like it and check the comments. Please feel free to run the discussion in the comment section as well. The next 3 matches are going to be the money making, the tickets.
Yeah, the
matches.
most
So
anticipated
please-
matches of this card.
So please stick around and go to the channel and the next video will be right there. See you. Bye
Bye bye.
Okay, that was nice.
Actually,
हमको
भाई
edit करना
देखो
है।
हमने एक फक अप कर दिया.
क्या?
सैमी और ब्रॉन में प्रेडिक्शन ही नहीं बताया.
रीसेट बोला
हाँ बोला हमने.
यस बोला
मेरे को